Hello everyone, this is the demonstration of our Fossilize app main screen. Let's dive in. These are the Fossilize app main screens. When the user first opens the app, they get to this home screen, and once the user presses get started, it diverts them to another screen which has 5 different options: geolocation, ask, learn, gallery, and identify. We will cover these functions later on in another video. This is the user journey for the main screen. The user selects Get Started, and then the user is diverted to another screen where the user can then select one of the 5 menu options. This is the code algorithm for the main and menu screens. The user first navigates to the main menu screen and then selects Get Started. Then the user navigates to other screens based on the user choice. This is the code explanation. Button 1 opens the next screen after selecting Get Started. Button 3 opens the identification screen. Button 2 opens the identification screen. Button 3 opens the gallery. Button 1 opens the gallery. Button Ask opens the Ask feature. Button 2 opens the geolocation. And Learn opens the Learn function. Thank you.